What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to show you how to make money online with copy and paste. Now, the method that I'm going to show you in this video, it's something you've probably never seen before. It's a rather unique business model. It's been around for a while, but it's using a website most people are not familiar with or have never heard of. Now, what I'm going to be showing you is how to give people pretty much a discounted gift card. So this is a $10 gift card. Hope you can see it right there. $10. So it's a $10 Dunkin' Donuts gift card. I ended up picking this up for $4. Okay? I ended up picking this up for $4, and I want to show you how I did that and how you can do this exact same business. It's actually pretty easy. Alright? So let me show you something. Now, if you aren't a subscriber of my YouTube channel and you haven't liked the video yet, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Go and like it. And also, make sure you subscribe if you want more videos on just how to make money online. So, let's jump into it. Right here, you may have never heard of this. It's an ice cream parlor, ice cream shop. It's called Cold Stone Creamery. Have a really good ice cream. Anyway, this right here, I'm on eBay. You probably heard of eBay. So on eBay, what I did is I came into the advanced search and I typed in Cold Stone Creamery gift card and then clicked on sold listing. So all these have sold. Somebody got a $50 Cold Stone Creamery gift card for $42.50. Somebody else got a $25 Cold Stone Creamery gift card for $21.50. Alright, so these are pretty good. But over on this website, it's called raise.com, and I'll put a link to raise.com down in the description box below if you want to go check it out. But on raise.com, for a $25 gift card, you can buy it for 26.3% off right now, and you can include an additional 2% to get you even better savings. But again, I don't know when you're going to watch this video, so this 2% might not be available. But $25 gift card for $18.43, plus you got this additional 2% bonus. All right. So if somebody's selling that gift card for, so it's a $25 gift card, selling it for $21.50. Let's see if there's another one. Here's a $25 Cold Stone Creamery gift card for $20.90. Let's just do the math really quick, all right? So right here, let's pull up the calculator. So we're selling a $25 gift card for, let's say, $21.90. Well, if you factor in eBay fees, let's just say, let's multiply that by 0.87. So we're going to get $19.05 out of it. If we subtract the $18.43, that leaves us with a 62-cent profit. Okay? Now, I know that's not a lot of money. Okay? That is not a lot of money. But let me show you this, all right? So, if we were to pay $18.43, okay, for the item, for the gift card right here, but let me show you this right here. If you go on Ebates, you get an additional 1% cash back. All right? So, we get an additional 1% cash back. So right here, what we're going to do is we're also going to multiply that by 0.99, something like that. Let's say that is what we get. Okay? Well, it's an additional 1%. Okay? So let's say we're paying $18.24 for this $25 gift card. So we pretty much just added in an extra 21 cents or 19 cents into our 60-some cent profit. Okay, so right there, that's some more money. But there's more than you can do. Let's just assume you have a credit card, okay? Not a gift card, an actual credit card that pays you 2% cash back. Well, if you were to add in the extra 2%, that's like an additional 50 cents. Okay, it's going to be like 40 to 50 cents that you're going to get on that Cold Stone Creamery gift card. So you can make over $1. You can make like $1.30 just to sell that gift card, to pretty much copy it, paste it onto eBay, and sell it. Now, this is with eBay. eBay has a 10%. You're going to have to pay 10% for their fees. You're going to have to pay 3% for PayPal fees. And obviously, the 13% really eats into your profit. But what if you didn't go that route? What if you just told people over on Facebook, you probably have Facebook friends, that, hey, I have a Cold Stone Creamery gift card. It's a $25 gift card. I'll sell it to you for $20. Or for $21. So you're going to save $4. But then you just go and buy the gift card right here off of raise.com, and you sell it to them. And the nice thing is it's a voucher. Once they pay you, let's say they pay you through PayPal or Stripe or Venmo or some other form. The nice thing about this is they're going to take a small fee, but all you got to do is send them the voucher. And the best part about all this is there's a 1-year money back guarantee. You can see it right here on all the gift cards that they sell you. So if it doesn't work, all you got to do is send them the email, letting them know it doesn't work. Yeah, you want your money back, and you're covered. Okay, let me show you another one. This right here is H&M. H&M is a apparel store. Okay, if you don't know who they are. So H&M is just a store, sell apparel. This one right here sold on December 17th, so a few days ago, and it sold for $45, and it was a $50 value. Okay, that's pretty good, $5 off. Let me show you this. This right here is H&M. If we look, this is 27% off. Okay, so you get a $104 gift card for 75 bucks. Now let's see if there's a $50 gift card. Now usually there's not because they are a higher end store. So $250 and you pay $186. There's a lot of these. If you have an H&M store and you know somebody that goes there quite a bit, what do you think they would say if you told them, hey, I have a $230 gift card for H&M, I'll give it to you for $200. You go and buy it for $167. Or, let me show you this. Okay, so 167.77 times, okay, because we're going to be able to get it down a little bit more, 0.0, so we have a 2% cashback card, plus we got 1% cashback from Ebates, okay, from Ebates right there. Okay, so what that tells me is we can get 3% off that one. Okay, so it would be an extra $5. So 167.77 minus $5 equals 162. So if we sold it for $200, we're gonna make about $37.23 off of one sale just to buy a gift card, just to copy this. Okay, to copy a picture of that, post it, paste it onto your Facebook page or over on your Facebook timeline. Stick it on eBay. Now, I have other places that I've been doing this with, and it's working extremely well. They're actually my own websites, but they work extremely well. I'm not saying you need a website. I'm just saying this method works. Now, let me show you this. Right here is a bunch of gift cards. Now, what I did is I went to buy gift cards, go to raise.com, go to buy gift cards, and sort by highest discount. And this can give me the highest discounts. Okay, you can see right here, Cold Stone Creamery. There's Brahms, Piccadilly, right there, H&M. Let's see, Work World, Readers.com, Sunglasses Warehouse, HBO Now. There's so many different ones. Let's skip the next page. Bob Evans Restaurants, Azteca, AutoZone. Now this is in-store only, so you gotta be aware of that. There's Loft, in-store only. Let's see, there's more. There's a lot of gift cards, okay? Gotta understand there's gonna be a lot of gift cards to go through. Callaway, Russo's, okay? Snap-on, Ghirardelli, okay? Haagen-Dazs, Coleman, okay? Chuck E. Cheese. You ever go to Chuck E. Cheese? There you go. Get a gift card. P.F. Chang's. These gift cards are everywhere, and they're gonna save you money. Now, most people don't realize Raise.com actually exists. Now, this card is actually one, I actually purchased this off of eBay. Now, I didn't get this from Raise.com because I wouldn't have got such a good discount. Okay, I would have paid probably about $8, $9 for this gift card, so it wasn't worth it for me. But you gotta understand that if you can copy a listing from Raise.com, or you just copy the information about the restaurant or the store, paste it over on eBay or on your Facebook timeline, just do a Facebook post. Okay, you may do it on Instagram and let people know, hey, I have this gift card. It's a voucher or it's an e-gift card. If you want it, it's a $200 gift card to H&M. I'll sell it to you for $185. Well, if that $200 gift card is actually only going to cost you $150, why not do it, right? You're going to save money. Okay, they're going to save money. They're going to get the $20 or $15 or $20 credit that they're paying $185, but they're getting $200 for this gift card. Okay, so they're going to spend that money anyway. Why not save the $15? That's how people are thinking, and you need to get in front of those people and say, hey, I have this gift card. Okay, the other thing you can do is there's an affiliate program. You can see it down here. Now, I'm not saying it's going to be the best one, but you could go ahead and do that if you want to. That'll make you a little bit of money, but you'll make more money if you buy the gift card first, especially to some of these better places like H&M that have bigger discounts. Applebee's, sometimes you can get it up to 18%. Ross, Marshall's, pretty much about the same. Home Depot, you're looking about 5%. Lowe's, 6 to 7%. So just understand, you can actually make money by selling gift cards that are going to help people save money. Now, is this business going to be for everybody? No, it's not. You can sell in bulk. You can also buy in bulk. Now, there's a lot of different, options here for you, but what I recommend is start out with eBay, or so eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook are going to be your best friends right now. eBay is going to take a large portion of your income because you're not going to make a lot. It's all about the quantity, not really the quality, as far as you're making 50% of what you invested. Okay, so just understand, it's all about quantity. You got to get the listings out there, and eBay is going to take a large portion of that. So if you can bypass eBay, or start with eBay and then eventually switch to Facebook and also Craigslist. What I've realized with Facebook, because I have a friend that does this exact same thing over on Facebook, has a Facebook group, and he just sells his own gift cards, which he buys from raise.com. And he just sells them to the people, the members of his group. Now, this works it's a very effective strategy, but you have to have the money to buy it first, and that's one of the reasons why I say buy with the credit card. That will give you a percentage back, because then you also have the 30, 45 days, whatever it is, to pay that money back without getting charged any interest, which is key in this business when you're operating at such small margins. All right, so if you have questions, let me know. I'm here to help you guys out any way that I can. But hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Hopefully this idea kind of spark something in your head, in your brain, and gives you an idea of what you could do next, what you could do to help you make a little bit more money. Maybe it's an additional $5, $10 a day. But when you think about, that's an additional $150 to $300 extra profit you have per month. You can spend on yourself, reinvest back to your business, or do whatever you want with. So again, hopefully this video helps you out. If it did, you like this idea, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.